the one that sings the Jamaican farewell. Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shines daily on a mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. So, we have been on a journey, me and Ida, and we've reached where we've reached. Sometimes it was really been rough. When sometimes I was in and out, she was the pillar who looked after the family. You know, Junior got to know me when he was 9 years old. It's when he got to know me that I was his father. But all those times, Ida was the one who stood strong as a pillar and brought up these children. So it is good to appreciate a partner. And you know that you're partners. I've also stood by her when she was in problems. But she has been in more problems because of me rather than because of herself.